Welcome back to Apple Insider. Today we are diving into something truly special, a device that carries nostalgia, reliability, and now a fresh modern upgrade. It is the Nokia 1100 4G. For many, the original Nokia 1100 was the phone that introduced them to the world of mobile communication, a handset that was tough as nails, simple to use, and legendary in every sense. Now in 2025, Nokia is bringing that iconic name back with modern touches, a sprinkle of smart connectivity, and the durability that people loved. So let's take an in-depth look at how this device performs in today's world, and whether the 1100 still has the magic it once did. Number 1. Design and build quality. The Nokia 1100 4G follows in the footsteps of its ancestor but with a more refined look. It still keeps the blocky candy bar shape, but now it feels smoother, lighter, and more polished. The polycarbonate body has been upgraded with a matte finish that resists fingerprints, while the compact frame ensures it fits perfectly in the palm of your hand. It's a phone that doesn't try to be flashy but instead focuses on practical strength. What stands out is the durability. This is a device designed for people who want something that can take a few drops, handle some rough use, and still keep working without fail. It also features tactile keys that click in a satisfying way, which is something smartphone users often miss. The phone weighs very little, making it comfortable to carry around all day. It feels solid, it feels trustworthy, and it carries that signature Nokia toughness that the brand is known for. Number 2. Display. The Nokia 1100 4G is not about edge-to-edge OLED panels or ultra-high refresh rates, but instead about clarity and simplicity. It comes with a compact color display that offers bright visibility even under direct sunlight. For a phone of this category, readability is key, and Nokia delivers exactly that. Whether you are checking messages, browsing through contacts, or even glancing at basic apps, the screen remains sharp and legible. It's not designed for watching movies or scrolling endlessly through social media, but for its purpose, it performs brilliantly. It's a screen that does not drain too much battery, does not strain your eyes, and is extremely practical. Nokia has included larger fonts and simple navigation icons, making it easy for anyone, whether young or old, to use this phone with comfort. It proves once again that sometimes less is more, and simplicity can truly enhance user experience. Number 3. Performance. At first glance, performance may not be the first thing people think about with a phone like this, but the Nokia 1100 4G surprises here. Equipped with a lightweight processor and optimized software, the phone runs smoothly without any hiccups. Calling, texting, and running basic apps feels instant and responsive. The addition of 4G support ensures faster connectivity, which makes tasks like sending pictures through messaging apps or checking light internet services seamless. While this isn't a phone meant for gaming or multitasking in the modern smartphone sense, it handles what it is built for with absolute confidence. What makes the performance stand out even more is its consistency. You don't face lag, you don't face crashes, and you don't get lost in endless settings. This is straightforward performance that focuses on doing the essentials right, every single time. Number 4. Camera. The original Nokia 1100 didn't have one, but times have changed. The Nokia 1100 4G now includes a modest rear camera that is designed for basic photography. It won't compete with flagship smartphones, but it gives you the convenience of quickly snapping a photo when needed. The camera captures clear shots in daylight, making it perfect for simple tasks like capturing notes, documents, or memorable everyday moments. It also has a built-in LED flash that doubles as a torch, which is one of the most useful features for people who want a reliable companion device. This camera is not about artistic expression or advanced lenses, it is about utility and convenience. For its purpose, it does the job well, and it keeps the spirit of practicality alive. Number 5. Battery life. This is where the Nokia 1100 4G shines the brightest. With its efficient hardware and small display, the phone delivers extraordinary battery performance. You can easily expect multiple days of use on a single charge, something modern smartphones can only dream about. The removable battery design also adds to its convenience, giving you the option to replace it if needed without relying on service centers. For travelers, workers, or anyone who doesn't want to worry about charging their phone every night, the Nokia 1100 4G is a blessing. It brings back that old-school reliability where your phone simply lasts, and you can trust it to be there when you need it the most. Number 6. Software and features. Nokia has built the 1100 4G around a clean, easy-to-navigate software environment. It includes essential apps like messaging, calling, and even some lightweight internet features. With 4G support, you can connect to the web, use messaging services, and stay connected without the heavy distractions of a full smartphone. There are also practical tools like a flashlight, calculator, FM radio, and basic games that add to the experience. Importantly, the phone supports modern connectivity with VoLTE, so call quality is crystal clear. This blend of classic simplicity and modern network support makes the Nokia 1100 4G stand out as a perfect secondary phone or even a main device for people who want to escape the chaos of today's smartphones. Number 7. Value for money. When you put all these factors together, the Nokia 1100 4G delivers exceptional value. It is priced affordably, making it accessible to a wide range of people. For those who want a backup phone, a reliable device for travel, or a daily driver that just works without distractions, this phone makes total sense. It doesn't pretend to be something it's not, and that honesty is what makes it so appealing. You pay for durability, battery life, reliable calling, and a name that has stood the test of time. In a market filled with flashy devices that lose charm quickly, the Nokia 1100 4G brings timeless practicality at a price that feels right. In conclusion, the Nokia 1100 4G is not about competing with smartphones. It is about reminding us of what truly matters in a phone. Reliability, durability, simplicity, and battery life. It manages to bring back the nostalgia of the original while adding just enough modern upgrades to stay relevant in today's connected world. It's a device that makes you feel at ease, knowing that it won't let you down, no matter where you are. For anyone seeking a distraction-free companion, a travel-friendly secondary phone, or simply a piece of mobile history revived in a new form, the Nokia 11